Jeezy has joint custody of baby Mai. Let's discuss, because the last time Jeanie was out here in these streets trying to get all of her furniture and belongings from Jeezy's house. Let's talk. My darling Fumi Nation, how are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you are so very welcome indeed. You are so very welcome indeed. So why are we here? Well, it looks like Jeezy has gotten joint custody, which is a celebration. It's a win-win-win because Jeanie Mai had full custody of their beautiful daughter, and it seems that things have picked up and now it is joint custody. So I celebrate Jeezy. Why do I celebrate Jeezy? Because it's not about the parents, it's about the welfare, mental, emotional, physical growth, stability and confidence of their daughter. That's who really and truly is important here. We are having the most fabulous, the most wonderful Summer Splash Fumi Nation meet and greet on the 20th of July here in London, United Kingdom at the Novotel Hotel in Hammersmith. We are going to have goodie bags. I will be updating this event on a weekly basis just to include all of the brands that are going to be coming. We have special guests, my darlings. Oh my God. And the event is going to be from 1 to 6. And darlings, for the first time ever, you are going to have an exclusive to my brand. I am so excited. I cannot wait for you guys to be there. We are also going to have vendors. We have fashion. We have style. And for those of you that are coming from different countries, get in touch with Sabali Travel. They will book your flights for you. They will book your hotel rooms for you. They are the absolute best, and they booked for Fumi Nation last year. We're going to take pictures together. We're going to have a fabulous lunch. We're going to have fabulous cake, fabulous drinks, music, dancing. There are going to be giveaways. There are going to be prizes to be won. There is so much going to be going on. It's really an extravaganza. It is the Fumi Nation extravaganza, and all of the brands that I love for my skin, for my hair, Healthy Hair Studio, it's going to be there. The makeup, it's going to be there. All the sweets and all the treats. It's an extravaganza. It's going to be a day to remember. And yes, my darling, it's a family occasion, so the children can absolutely come. Absolutely come. We are going to have fabulous day, and it's going to be on a Sunday. On a Sunday, my darlings. So come along, come with the family, and be ready to be entertained. Get ready to be motivated. Get ready to be inspired with the special guests that we have. It is going to be like no other. And I did this especially for you, to show my gratitude for all that you have done for me all of these years. You're going to live for it. Tickets are below. The marriage, for whatever reason, it didn't work out. I was not there. We were not there. We celebrated Jeanie Mai. We celebrated Jeezy. I thought that it would work out. I thought that maybe this was happy ever after, because we wish people well. Do we not? We wish them well. So when I saw, Jeanie Mai outside of Jeezy's house, and there were all kinds of protocol, security, the police had to come because she was not allowed to come into the house, and all of the stuff was outside in the garage. It was sad.
This comes in the box and in here. So, KJ, are you on the phone? I just want you to know, as I'm looking through, some of the boxes are damaged with the clothing of the clothes.
Just need to know that it's on the floor. You're supposed to be allowed to walk around with you.
Yeah, I'm trying to just get to the side and let that be known, because last thing I want to do is add to someone's divorce paperwork.
But let me finish. It doesn't matter that he's handled mine, but if you didn't pack it yourself, then you also don't know what I'm asking. So for you to tell me
I was here supervising when it happened.
okay, then can you go to the Dropbox and answer my
So
question?
like K07N.
Yeah.
Sorry, this was like 6 months ago.
Yeah.
So K07N 1 through 6.
It was sad that a couple that loved upon each other and, showed so much love on social media anyway, now your things are tossed out almost like garbage in the garage where it is damp, it's moist, it's cold, and there's mold. So there now is resentment, there's hatred for each other, and you really turn out to be like really little monsters to each other. It's unfortunate. And Jeanie, I am sorry that happened to you. No woman should go through that, because I think deep down you really, sit back and you say to yourself, what was I looking at? Could that really be somebody that I loved, that I truly loved and I had a child with? Well, that's the positive. There's a beautiful child that came out of this, Monaco, and she's the best version, no matter what you might think of each other, of the two of you. Monaco is a beautiful girl, and you have to think of her growing up. You have to raise her the best that you can. And I grew up with my mother and my father, and I know a certain confidence that I embody is because I had my father there growing up. I had my mother there growing up. Monaco needs all of the love and support now, irrespective of how you are feeling. Jeezy, you have to really step up and take care of Monaco and make sure that she is safe and make sure that you really out here doing your daddy duties. It's not to spite Jeanie. It's not to show up late, co-parent with her, because the person that is affected is Monaco. Do it for Monaco. Do it because you, Jeezy, have spoken about the little Jeezy in you. So here's your chance to do it for little Monaco. And maybe in some way, you will see that you will get real joy and comfort, humility and gratification from raising this little human being. Adrian has made me a better person. I never had any patience. Now, it doesn't matter. Everything is fine. It can be done. And if it's not done now, it can be done later. I have been given fresh eyes through the eyes of my son. And the way he will see like a little bug, and it will just land on his hand, and he'll go to the garden and just let it go. Children are beautiful. They bring out the best in us. They should bring out the best in us. And for that, Jeezy, always be wonderful to Jeanie, because she's the mother of Monaco. She's half Monaco. Jeanie, always try. Sometimes just hold it. Don't say anything, even though I know you want to say it so bad. When he's late, when he does something that you don't like, or it's not to the protocol or to what the law, just meet him halfway. Meet him halfway again. So far it says no danger to the child. Meet him halfway. Try and be his friend again. As unreasonable as he might be sometimes, just... You see, my marriage to Ula, we've been here 17 years. Sometimes I just... Not because he's right, but because it's the right thing to do at that time. I just Father God, please give me the patience. Give me the, you know what, let me walk away. You know what, let me go and do something in the kitchen.
Hi guys, my name is ENITAN, hair coach. I am UK's first ever hair coach and a trichologist. We are a team of trichologists and hair coaches here in W6 London, and we help those who are desperate and have tried and everything else has failed. We look after those who have chronic scalp concerns, flaky, itchy scalp that's been going on for many years. We help those that have hair loss that has progressed instead of improved, and we help those that just generally want to have a better understanding of better quality hair, length, volume, and reduce that dryness. Visit us by clicking here.
That's relationships. If not, you're going to get very, very, very frustrated. Monaco has to see the two of you laugh. Monaco has to see the two of you talk. Monaco has to see the two of you being good to each other. You know why? Because Monaco knows. Because when you don't do that, you know what? You teach her to lie. She knows, oh, daddy is not happy. Oh, she knows mommy is not happy. She knows that if I tell mommy this, mommy is going to be very mad. I won't say anything. Oh, daddy did this. I won't tell mommy. And if mommy asks me, I'm going to tell lies. Because I don't want mommy to be angry, because she won't let me go and see daddy. And I really want to see daddy. Because I go to school and the other children talk about their daddies. And my daddy, I love my daddy, and I want him to come. Children are so innocent. They don't know adult relations. They don't understand it. All they know is that if daddy didn't come, somehow maybe daddy did not want to see me. And they become smart, and they lie, and they avoid, and they make friends with the wrong friends. It becomes a cycle that you cannot stop or control. And instead of you to be focused on her, you're focused on him. And in so doing, you miss it. And it just takes one chain reaction to get the ball going. A lot of Fumi Nation daughters come to me and they tell me the stories, and I cry with them because I wish I was there some way, somehow, in any capacity to have avoided that train wreck. He has custody. It's something that he should have had. It's something he should not have had to go to court for. But again, I'm not there. I don't know how it went down. Maybe he did something where you felt that Monaco wasn't safe. So you come to him and you say, Jeezy, I loved you and I love you because you are Monaco's father. I beg of you, let's try and work out just a little something. I will meet you wherever you want us to be at when it comes to Monaco. Let's try. Let's just try. Let's give her the chances and opportunities that we felt was owed to us. If we didn't work out, let's find pride and joy when she graduates, when she gets married, when she has her own children. It's a long road. The journey is way down in front of us. Let's start some way with making peace. So I come now with my white flag and let us try. You got to be the bigger person. Sometimes you've got to be the bigger person. That does not make you look weak. That makes you the one that has the foresight. Always think of Monaco. Monaco's time as she is very short time. Very short time they're children. It's a long time that they're adults. And everybody talks about the childhood trauma. You talked about yours. Jeezy has talked about little Jeezy. This is the time for you to do it all over again and do it right for Monaco. Do not forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, and I'll see you what? I'll see you sooner than later, my babies. All of my love.